dancing through the glade where the sunlight plays. Laughter fills the air in this Celtic haze. Fiddles sing the tune in the forest deep. You'll find so much joy we find in the forest green, where the fairies dance and the air is clean. Through the winding trails where the whispers go, every leaf and shares a tale to know. With each step we take beneath the canopy, magic all around and wild. All the joy we find in the forest green, where the fairies dance and the air is clean. With the twilight glow, fires start to crackle and the shadows grow. Stories shared aloud round the flickering flame, voices join in song, adding to the acclaim. Through the oaken pine, under starlit skies, the forest comes alive, drumming hearts in time with the woodlands call. Echoes through the hills where the spirits fall. Bridges made of dreams crossing rivers bound by nature's song. In her arms we bide. Oh, the joy we find in the forest green, where the fairies dance and the air is clean. Until the dawn breaks and the morning's bright with a misty dew in that soft twilight, elves and forest folk seen within her sight in their secret world hidden from the night. We'll roam hand in hand through the ferns and flowers, breathe the purest air in these sacred hours.